In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an image in Foxit PDF Reader. Now, in case you've been using the Foxit PDF Reader, you may have noticed that there's actually no way to manually add in or insert a photo. So anywhere up here inside these tabs, you won't be able to find an Add Image button. So you could go to the Search tab and type in image like that. And as you can see, there's actually no way to do this. Now, the easiest way is likely going to be to actually get yourself the Foxit PDF editor. So not the Foxit PDF Reader, but the editor, and then in there you can then of course add images easily. However, if you want to of course play around a bit, there's also a way I figured out in here inside the Foxit PDF Reader via which you can actually kind of add images as well. So if you want that, let's actually go into this. Now what you're gonna have to do is actually add in custom stamps and then add those images in as stamps. So let me show you how to do this. Now first you want to go to the comment tab up top, and then from here, you want to click on where it says custom stamp, and then we're going to be creating a custom stamp. Now, to be able to do this, first you must have your image which you want to insert, and you must convert it into a PDF. I know this sounds a bit funny, but that's the only way. So let me show you how to do this. Likely, the easiest way is going to be for you to just go to Google and just look for a PNG to PDF or something like that. So I just looked up PNG to PDF, and I actually found out this over here, which is the convert JPEG to PDF from I Love PDF. Any site will work, just click on it, and then from here you'll basically have to drag in and of course select the image you actually want to convert into a PDF. So here for me, I just have a AI generated sketch. I'm gonna paste this in, there we go, and I'm going to do portrait, no border, and I'm gonna actually convert this to a PDF. When you do this, it's gonna start converting, okay, and I can now download it to my computer. So that's the first thing you have to do. Once you've done that, come back inside your Foxit over here, so the PDF Reader, and then go up here where it says custom stamp, click on create custom stamp, and from here click on browse, and then look for your new PDF. So as you can see over here, I do have my PDF. Simply click on it and click on open wherever you have it, and it's gonna pop up your image over here, and then you have to select the category here. So I don't have a category yet, I'm just gonna name it tutorial. There we go. So it's gonna, of course, fall under the stamps under category of tutorial, and then I'm gonna name it car over here. There we go. You can, of course, do whatever you want here, then just click on OK. And when you do that, you want to go to the stamp menu, click on this arrow down, and here at the bottom, you'll be able to see you now have your image. Whenever you click on it, you'll be able to just click and, of course, paste it in that way. And as you can see, I've basically inserted an image in Foxit PDF Reader, or you can click on it and just basically drag out how big you want it to be, and that image is going to get inserted, and you can then move it around, you can resize it, and you can do whatever you want with it. So that's how to add an image. That's the only way. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.